RC Jet Su-27. Setup for Cobra maneuver. Elevator throw, 80 degrees. CG, aft, at the edge of the safe margin. Wing loading, 360 grams per square decimeter. All-up weight, 29 kilograms. Span, 1.8 meters. Turbine thrust, 500 newtons. Pilot, Dasada. Simulator. Aerofly at 50% speed. Pull. Release. Main problem: rapid airspeed loss from 265 to 55 km per hour. Clearly, this maneuver is meant for higher Reynolds numbers. Conclusion: enormous weight, unreal throws, recklessly aft CG and plane's unpredictable behavior made this setup unsuitable for real RC model jet. However, trials and errors continue.